how to find Facebook friends on Instagram. Now, let's say your Facebook friends are also on Instagram and you want to find their specific account to your Instagram account. Now, all you have to do is to sync your Instagram account to your Facebook account. To do that, all you have to do is to tap on your profile icon right here, and you will be able to see this section right here that lets you discover people. All you have to do is to click on that right there until someone pops up here, and you just have to click on see all, and you will be able to see an option that says sync your profile info. You'll be able to find the Instagram account of your Facebook friends if you tap on the sync button right here. So if you sync your Facebook profile info to your Instagram profile info, you will be able to see every friends that you have on this suggestion list right here. So that's how to find Facebook friends on Instagram. Hope we help.